So you're looking for a quick and easy expunction, and maybe you turn to a tech company that's not a lawyer to handle that expunction. Well, that's not really a good idea, and here's why. These platforms may promise quick and easy expunctions, but they're not selling convenience. You still have to do the work yourself, and it can be a long process that you didn't bank on. You thought you were paying them to handle it for you, but in reality, you're the one who's doing the work. These platforms don't sell real convenience. They're just giving you a few forms, and then you still have to do the work yourself. Only a lawyer can file it for you. When I, as an attorney, represent someone on their expunction, I'm taking responsibility for that. So if something does go wrong, it is on me. Whereas these tech companies, if something does go wrong with your expunction, it's actually on you. And if it doesn't go through, you might be out those filing fees. And worse than that, your record still is not clear. So if you really want a concierge service, go with us, go with ExpungeTX. Buy once, cry once. Yes, it is slightly more expensive than these tech platforms, but you actually get the job done.